Hello, I'm typing this in with the text engine. You chose the right auto spacing tutorial. Hey guys, it's me, Scratch Hat, and we'll be creating a text engine on Scratch. So first, you must make all the letters of your text engine like the letters and numbers. So you can do capital. Well, if you do capital or lowercase, it won't really make a difference, but yeah, I'm just gonna do only uppercase, but I'll show you guys how to do lowercase later in the episode. So let's do this. Okay, so it took me around 3 minutes just to make all the letters. So now it's time for me to rename them. Okay, so now I have to reposition them because, as you can see, they're kind of off. Like A and B and C, they're like good, but like everything to E and after, yeah, not really repositioned. So yeah, Scratch add-ons will help me. So now I'll like to set the second distance to like 50. Okay, and now if I just wait, no, just the center of the page for now. It's not from the center of the selection. There we go. So now if I do this, I'll have to just drag it a little bit and then go on. Just drag it in any direction. Oh, whoops. As we all know, other scratchers have made text engines, like text engine tutorials. But I will be doing it very much more properly. So first, when green flag clicked, maybe we should set size to 200. Here we go. So we're going to make because the spacing we want the space between our letters to be like the exact amount it's supposed to be. So okay, so we'll also need space. So I think the space is kind of the size as O. But since I scratch arms, I could just move to bottom. There you go. So this will be space. Wait, or actually, I'm just gonna make this space character just to make it easier. So yeah, we can just leave it like that. And now we'll need a big costume. Okay, so now let's set back to regular size. So now that we have that, costume to big, set X to, wait, I know, repeat until, so we go to X00, right? So let's make a new custom block called get size of, and then costume. So we go to X00, repeat until our or X position is less than -240, and because we might just be in the middle because we're trying to figure out the size, like the width. Yeah, not size. I should put width. Width of costume, and we are not touching edge. Still, we be completely off the edge. Costume. We change our X by -1. Switch costume. We switch costume to costume. So now if we go here, wait, what? Okay. So let's get width of costume number 1 or A. Yeah. Okay. So we're actually gonna have a little change of plan. So instead of this, first we're going to switch costume to our first costume, which would be A. And then let's see how many costumes we have. We don't really need these anymore. So we just want to go all the way here. So 27. Repeat 27. So now we repeat until we're not touching edge. Wait, oh yeah. So how about instead we just switch to the last costume, which there's an easy trick for that. So just basically round 0. And if you do that, that's basically just going to pick the last costume. If you do round -1, like let me show you. Well, let's do round -1. That's Z, and then -2, it would be Y. So yeah, round 0 would just be space. And that means we could also just use costume number here, because that's how many costumes we have. So next costume, set X to -999. So we change our X by 1. And then we change our X by half the screen width, which is 240. And we're going to store this in a variable named uh, offset to offset to our X position. And then basically do this. So we set to 999. Then -1. And they're going to need a list called width. So then instead of doing this, we can just add offset plus 240, which is half the screen width. But we also have to subtract our X position. And then we add a little bit numbers that there's just a little bit kind of spacing. So like 2. You could do 1, 2, or 3, but anything above those ones will be bad. So yeah. Let's see. Oh yeah, offset. So look, now it's going through all the numbers. And now if you look at our width, it says the width of our A here. See, look, it shows, wait. Okay, so, I basically checked out a few things, experimented for like an hour. Yeah. So, first thing, make this new list called offset X. And then we're going to add offset to offset X. So, and we don't really need the I forgot what it's called. I think it was called costume. But yeah, we don't need that anymore since we already have this. So yeah, basically, oh yeah, make delete too, because delete will delete all our clones. So yeah, when we broadcast delete, oh yeah, here we go. So we show here and then we hide here. So that should do it. So we delete all of width and we delete all of offset X. So yeah, just make sure to do all this stuff. And yeah, so these are all our widths. So now we need to make, oh yeah, this. So I need to make a new variable called I. Because now I'm going to be able to, like, if you look in the, like, let me show you. So now look at our width stuff. As you can see that, if we go here, we will work out how to do the space thing. So I'm going to add lowercase letters and like different symbols so that we could just write anything. So 1 sec. So that took me 7 minutes, but yeah, I add lowercase numbers and symbols. as you can see. So yeah. And since we did the round zero thing, it's automatically going to do it. So now we have 69 widths. So now let's make the block all right. Our text. Right text at XY. Wrong file screen crash. So what we want to do first is we made the I right, so we set I to 1. So we set offset to X, and then we set our Y to Y. Now, reason we're saying offset to X and not saying X to X, well, because now we can just store our variable because we're going to need it here. So we're going to repeat and then length of text. So we're going to switch our costume to letter I of of text. And then, so what we're going to do next is, so you know how we made a space? Well, we don't want it to show, right? So we're going to do if not, and then we put the space character on the right side of the equals. And then if not costume name, not costume number, because the number can change. If not costume name is equal to space, then we set our X to offset plus, wait, so we get a plus. We put the offset variable in the left hand side, and we go to list. Well, I have lists because I have scratch add-ons, but it's going to be variables for you. And then grab item of offset X, and I put costume, not name but number. Costume number of offset X, and then we create a clone of ourselves. Or you can stamp, but I'm going to do clones for now. Oh yeah, and if you want to do stamp, then when I receive delete, just replace it with the erase all. So now back to what I was doing. So then it's not gonna create a clone, and you might be thinking, wait, but then won't it just stay there so it's not gonna progress? Well, that's where this comes in. Then we set X. Wait, no, I meant change offset by. Oh, I don't know why I said by twice. I mean, by twice. Until costing number of width. So now this will change our X that we're supposed to be in. So if I do this correctly, so let's try it here. Write hello or hello at 00. Oh, whoops. I should put the show here and then the hide here. Oh my god. Oh yeah, I forgot to place the change I by 1. Hello, look at that. It's evenly spaced out. And look, let's add a space. Hello world. Look, wait, I think the space is too big. But look at how they're evenly spaced out like they're supposed to be. Wait, where's the space? I think the space. Oh, I can't find the space. One sec. Here it is. Okay, so, oh, whoops, I actually duplicated it. Here we go. Maybe it should be smaller. Maybe a little bit smaller. Or no, I need it smaller. Sorry about the inconvenience. Here we go. Maybe that's too small. Yeah, there we go. Hello world. I'm pretty sure I put a comma. Okay, I did not add a comma here. Let me just add comma. So yeah, here we go. Duplicate. And look, Scratch, whenever you drag it, it sets it to the automatic position that it would be in if you were making text editor. So that's just really helpful, Scratch. Just thank you for that. Hello world. So now, bam. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that space is too big. There we go. So I did remember putting an exclamation point. So wait, I'm pretty sure I put one here. So I kind of didn't. I don't even know how because I thought I did. I literally remember doing that. But yeah. So now it should work. Yep. Hello world. I am Scratch. How to? Wait, I didn't set a dash. Oh, yeah. Negative 230. Yeah, that's way too long. It says 100. Yeah, I didn't set a dash. Okay, so it should do it this time. Yep. Right there. I am Scratch. How to? Hello world. I am Scratch. How to? But anyways, thanks for watching. If you like this video, oh, lied. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and share as it helps the channel. Hit that notification bell. Have a wonderful day. Man, I love this text engine.